Hey guys, today I'm going to show you all the features and how to use this instrument cluster on a Cadillac CT6. So this is a 12-inch instrument cluster and it's actually controlled from your controls on the steering wheel. So we can choose different like what do you want. So right now in the middle section we have night vision. We could change it to your fuel economy, and you can also have different settings here. And if you don't want anything, you can just keep it blank. Uh, and you can also change it into a different style. So let me show it to you. Yeah, so go to options, select display layout, and enhanced. So you have a cool animation, and now on this side we have our RPM, our boost gauge, and then we can also change it. If you don't want the boost gauge, you can have different stuff there. You can also still have your night vision here. You can change this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.